Nau mai, haere mai, ki te pai tukutuku or QUIZIZZ. Welcome to QUIZIZZ website. QUIZIZZ is a fun and interactive platform for taking quizzes online, making learning more enjoyable and engaging. QUIZIZZ is like Kahoot, but with some extra cool features that make it even more fun and flexible in a game-like event. This is called gamification. So let's begin. Me te mata tātou. Welcome to my QUIZIZZ dashboard. I have signed in. Now I'm going to click Create. Then click Quiz. I have 3 options here. I'm going to generate with AI. I have 4 options here to select material from. I'm going to go back into Word Doc, a new tab, and select material needed around hauora. So copy and click text in the back of my dashboard and paste content here. I'm happy with that. You can add more information if you like. And generate quiz. Now it's thinking of some questions around that content shared. It's taking me back to my dashboard. I have 5 questions. You can have 5, 10, 15, 20. You can change the value of the points for each question and how many seconds it takes to answer. I'm going to click Edit. A little bit wordy for me, so I'm going to make it easier for my audience. Using your literacy skills, making sure that you have a capital letter and punctuation at the end of your sentence. And save question. And you just repeat the process over and over. Going to edit again. There are 3 icons in the top left corner. First one's image, add an image. The second one is voiceover, and the third one is a video if you'd like to record yourself reading the question. Save question, and repeat. You can even add questions to make it longer. Click publish. You can assign it to people, or you can start now and see what it looks like. So we'll click start now. There are 6 options here to share your quiz. We're going for the classic mode, nice and easy, where students can answer at their own pace and see a leaderboard with live results. Click start now. And you are ready to begin. You can share this with the QR code or go onto the website joinmyquiz.com. This is where the gamification begins. When students are playing your quiz, their name and a chosen character will appear in the bottom left of their screen. Next to it will be some power symbols, which brings the game element with anyone who joined your quiz. It is not a race to finish the quiz like Kahoot does, so you have more time to use your power-ups. Press pause now so you can see what each symbol does. Mā te wā. See you later.